Hello SGD, Sacred Geometry Decoded, and amongst things like impossible to do cores, replicated, and these other foundation stones upon which the lost ancient high technology industry rests. One of them is referred to as the Schist disc or the Sabu disc, and it's always precision, advanced, machine-like precision, perfect symmetry, perfect precision, lost high technology, and again, precision, mystery, enigmatic. How did they make it? Well, okay, here's a top view. So precision, what they actually mean is the opposite of precision, because you just see this thing is not precise. It is imprecise. It's very, very imprecise. You can just see the differences there. This was when it was found, so it's been put back together. However, even incorporating that, where you can see the pieces are put back together, still the piece is still there. And well, okay, so it's not precise. It's not even circular. The bottom right-hand corner, for instance, really stands out. It's just not curved, not precise, not circular, not precision, not perfect, not machined, not highly engineered, not even close. And so we take those side views, and you can see the running bear around the outside. Let's call it the rim, bear around the perimeter there, and you can just see how much it varies. It's thin, sometimes it's flattish, a little bit more circular, but it's a dog's breakfast in that sense. It is the opposite of precision. And again, just look, Sabu Disc or the Schist disc, you can go through the photos, look at any number of the videos they've got on there, but I would say look at the photos and focus on, just look at the imprecision. Now, the picture on the top right corner, the picture on the top left-hand corner. Now notice even how where it lobes over, underneath it runs virtually straight, but on the bottom right-hand corner you can see how the lobe is curved. So this thing is not precise, not machined, not accurate. It's unstable as. So sculptures such as these, going back before advanced modern CNC machine people, skilled craftsmen have done amazing work. And this just because I like these veiled lady sculptures, but whether it's all across the world, cross time, handwork, skilled craftsmen were making a lot better than that. Much more detailed, more balanced, more precise. This thing, and in stones, more difficult to work with than schist or siltstone. So I've seen some, mainly it's referred to as schist, or it's siltstone. It's pretty. I'll post a link at the end. But this thing, it's just not precise. It's not machined. It's not a machine part. It's not advanced lost high technology. It's not precision. They can say precision as much as they want. They're poisoning the water with that. How can they've been to see it, and they've made countless videos. There's hours and hours of videos, ones that they made 5 years ago, ones that they made a couple of weeks ago, and it's always the same. And you just look at this thing, and no way on earth any machinist, engineer, or anything would say that this is precise, advanced, and not even close. Unbelievable. This is craftsmanship, no advanced machines. People's skilled craftsmen, artisans, just across time have done a hell of a lot better than that. This is ridiculous. This is not precise. It's not machined. It's not advanced, lost high technology. It's categorically, definitively, absolutely not. So even if they put a big question, is this advanced precision technology ? No, it's not. Obviously, it's not. It's just not. This thing is so unbalanced. Anyone who's operated a machine, even with a hand drill, anyone with any mechanical experience will know that if this is spinning at even a low speed, it's so unbalanced that it's going to cause the thing to wobble and vibrate. this would be rejected at a glance just by from 20 feet away, eyeballing this thing. A machinist, advanced precision machinist at that would just not even advanced, just basic lathe or drill, the cheapest, roughest, old-fashioned one. Get this out of here, son. This, go back to the drawing board. That not even close at a glance. So again, this is the advanced, lost, ancient high machining precision technology that they speak of and have for years and years. They clearly don't know what precision machining means. Even by hand working standards, this is everything but precise, and the stone, whether it's schist or siltstone, is incredibly easy to work. Props to the people who work this, because the stone is so delicate, especially towards the last parts of making it. They will just have to be really, really careful. Don't drop anything on it. You sneeze and hit it on the side, or just really easy to break. And it was found broken. Let's assume it was intact at that time. Possibly it might have been broken when they made it, but let's assume that that's not the case. But props to them for being, skilled craftsmen who do skilled work. And again, just this is insulting to craftsmanship, and to present this as, and it's crazy. I'll put a link to this video in there. You see he makes a bracelet out of schist, and you see how easy the stone is worked. It's very, 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 when you a little bit, he just grinds a little bit and you can see that the mud is forming off it. It's just grinding down really quickly. At the end he makes a bracelet. Well, perhaps he's making an advanced precision machining part. If you watch this video, watch it to the end. If I was to present, I could just get Lost High Tech. This is a precision advanced machine. Look at it, it's precision. Look. Never any measurements given. The people promoting this Lost High technology, there's these long advanced precision machining, incredible, unexplained, the mystery of it all. If they had just got some stills and presented that in an honest way, and rather than this, emotive narration and building it up, poisoning the well before and then, but how did they do it? Well, it's easy stone to work, and even by hand working craftsmanship, it's not that great. It's not that great at all. Shame on them for, if you've been to see this thing, you must have, and you talk about precision, advanced machining, that you don't know what it means. You have no business talking about precision or machining or anything, even in that general sphere, if those snake oil merchants want to present this. Just watch the video where this MisterStru makes a precision advanced machining tool down to the nanometer precision. I just said it was precision, so it must be. This stone's easy to work. The quality of air is just not anywhere close to precision advanced machining. And to the so-called expert secret keepers of the ancient Egyptian wisdom, you're so full of it, mate. I don't know how these guys sleep at night. They are con men, they are frauds, and they are absolutely shameless in what they present. This is just remarkable truth and remarkable untruth. It's not even worth asking the question. And if they did, they should have said, well, at the end, let's look at a few of these pictures and close up and compare. This is not absolutely not. This is just not precision, and it is laughable, really, that the so-called expert researchers, I've researched this for years and years, and I've been to Cairo, and they're hiding it they keep hiding it and moving it around in the museum. It's a conspiracy, I tell you. No, the conspiracy is they're projecting. They're hiding this from you. They must have noticed this. At a glance, I've just seen some of that video, and the video is always sort of at this odd angle and moving about, and it's more narration than what it is just simple observation. Just put the camera on it, keep it still, look at it up close. Absolutely not lost high technology, not precision, not advanced machining. It's not a machine part, no friggin' way, not even close, not even to be debated. No correspondence shall be entered into at this point. Well, again, I think it's a bit of a sport for me when I have these people in the comment section come on and defending this, because it is it's verging on I refer to it as a cult, because it behaves in that way where it's anyone who challenges the obvious truth of the cult guru leaders. And facts don't matter, just simple observation doesn't matter. It's precision, advanced machining. It's lost ancient high technology. Not even close. Not even in the solar system of advanced precision machining parts. And that anyone who's supposedly an engineer and has worked in aeronautics or anything like that could even remotely say this is farcical, beyond a joke. It's time to stop with this.